Hey guys, thanks for coming to watch my show. I am going to show you today how to propagate a money tree. And I have already taken off some phenomenal leaves from this tree. It was starting to have a bunch of weird leaves in weird places, so I decided that I kind of wanted to make little babies out of it. And I'm really excited because I think a money tree brings you really good luck, and I want to have as many of them as possible in my home. So I took a bunch of leaves off, and then I have this root hormone, which I am going to be using. And all I'm going to do is take a leaf, and I'm going to dip the stem in the hormone, and then I'm going to put it in my water. And I'm going to do that a bunch of times. I already have a clear jar here. It's all set up with water. And I'm going to go ahead and do all of these leaves that I took off of the mothering plant. And I am going to wait for a little bit until these leaves get big enough and are about 2 inches long. And at that point, I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to braid them like the mother plant, because I just think it's just so lovely and it's such good feng shui, and it's good vibes. It's good vibes, and everybody needs good vibes in their life. So that is what I'm doing here. I have them all dipped, and I have them in my hormone liquid, and I have them ready. And once their roots get to be about 2 inches long, I'm going to braid them, and I am going to make them into a beautiful money tree, which I will have up for sale on my eBay page if you guys want to go ahead and take a look at that. And I hope to have helped someone who's trying to figure out how to propagate a money tree. It's super easy, and their leaves are I just picked the biggest ones here. Like I said, they were coming out kind of funky on the tree, and I wanted the tree to be more bushy at the top and not so funky. So that's what I did. I picked it, and I picked healthy leaves too. I wanted to make sure that I had a bunch of healthy leaves for the new plant that I am going to grow for my new tree. And that way I'll be able to say I did it all by myself, and I think that will be a whole lot of fun. So anyway, this is how you propagate a money tree. Just take off those good healthy leaves, take them off, dip them in some hormone powder, and go ahead and put them in some water for a couple weeks until those roots start to get about 2 inches long. Go ahead and braid them and stick them in some good and nutritious soil, and then you will eventually have a money tree like this. This one started coming undone. She's not so much braided the way I wanted her to be, so that's kind of like another reason why I decided to make some more. And anyway, what's more fun than propagating and seeing the success of something that you did yourself? I just think it's so cool taking part of your plant or your tree and making more of them and giving them away and giving them to your friends. And that's how you can really show love for each other. It's just such a happy, exciting, free way of showing your appreciation to other people around you. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.